Hey guys, it's Dustin here from DG's ProTech Enlistable. I'm going to talk a couple things about maintenance today. 6.4 diesels and their maintenance and why it's important. So, 6.4s and their maintenance. Follow me along here, guys. Nick's got a 6.4 that came in here today. The 6.4 came in for a rattle noise from the engine, a low-end type tick the customer's complaining of. Now this truck has some higher mileage as far as 6.4s go. Also has not the best maintenance history. So let's show you the worn out parts here and everybody can kind of understand the importance of maintenance. So the failure in this truck that we diagnosed was the fact that it was a valve train type tick noise. So knowing what we know about 6.4s, we did a bit of diagnostics, shutting down cylinders, things like that. We ended up verifying that there was more than one cylinder involved on both sides of the engine. So the components I'm holding here, this is an exhaust and an intake rocker assembly. The neat thing to notice on the 6.4s and their 6-liter little brother that came before them is to know that this type of design has a fulcrum tip. Now you'll see here, if the camera can zoom in, these fulcrum tips are quite worn out and pounded into their actual rocker assemblies. Compare that to a new one. Brand new rocker fulcrum, kind of like a half of a ball bearing, can, as it rocks up and down, and have the proper amount of lash on the system. This valve train system has automatic lash adjustment, which means the roller lifter hydraulically pumps up to take any wear here. But when your wear is that bad, due to high maintenance or high mileage, low maintenance wear, that's definitely a cause where this lifter is actually going to rock and come off the actual valve bridge, your valve bridge is rocking against, and actually slap and make that knocking noise. What's the repair? Well, unfortunately in this case, we call our good friends at Ford here. We get a new set of rockers, new ball bearing in the bottom, new rocker fulcrums assembly, and in they go. Well, the reason we talk about maintenance and the reason this is an issue in the 6.4 is because this engine design was based on the 6-liter design. Very, very similar parts. And in the 6-liter design, we're using HEUI injection, which means high pressure oil. So when the injection cycle is done on a 6-liter, it spits out any excess oil it's done from running its injection cycle. On a 6.4 injector, they went to common rail. Newer technology, higher performance, good things. Bad things, we don't have oil to spit up and splash lubricate these rockers anymore. So they rely on all the lubrication to come up through the push rod, cross over the rocker, just like in a Cummins design, to lubricate this fulcrum. Problem is, that's a long way from there to there. We don't get enough lubrication through the rocker, and that is a part that prematurely wears. If it's left long enough, we may actually do other damage because the valve train will wear and get so loose that we can cause push rod bending, push rod can fall off, rocker damage, etc. Good quality oils, good quality maintenance schedule, good quality filters, all keep this to a bare minimum. That way you're not coming to see us at DG's before this truck gets to the point when these are meant to wear out. So that's all we have for today. Just thought we'd show you that. For another one at DG's, we'll call it finished. Thanks, guys.